everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Aishwarya and I hope that you all are fit and fine and are safe. So today I am here again with a chit chat video, but today is not a haul video, not a makeup tutorial, not a review, not a hair care video or a skincare video, but today I have come up with a challenge video. When I started seeing YouTube years ago, like in 2014, I am continuously watching YouTube. Not before that, I used to see that many YouTubers are taking up some challenge, some funny challenge and some really good challenges. So I thought of going through one today, and the challenge today which I am going to take is that going to use only my fingers to apply all the makeup products on my face. I am not going to use any brush. Whatever I will apply, I will use my fingers and we will see how the makeup turns out. So let's go back a bath and I sat to record my video. You all know what products I am currently using. I haven't done my skincare. I am going to do my skincare with those products only. So first of all, I am going to use the toner from Good Vibes, the Pomegranate Glow Toner. I am using this since the day I recorded my last video. So let's start. Now for my face cream, I am going to use this face cream from Good Vibes. It is Saffron Nourishing Day Cream. And again, I am going to use my fingers, which is very, I don't have to tell you people, because we use our fingers only to apply anything, any face cream. Okay. So yeah. You can see I've used some good amount. You can see it has been empty, but I'm not going to say anything about all the products in this video because I'm going to make a separate review video on all the Good Vibes products that I bought. I have an OCD that whenever I am applying something on my face, some face cream or any face product, I take it back to my neck, at the back of my neck. I have this OCD, otherwise I don't feel satisfied. Please tell me whether you people also have this OCD or not. So our skincare is done. Now let's move towards makeup. So first of all, I'm going to prep my lips, and for that I'm going to use this Vaseline Petroleum Jelly, and definitely to apply the Vaseline I'm going to use my fingers only. So yeah, taking some at the back of my nail. So it's done. Now I will take a primer, and for my primer I am using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Applying cream products with my fingers is not exactly a challenge. The main fun part will come when I will apply powder products. So please stay tuned and watch this video till the end. We will see how the makeup turns out. I don't think whether it will be a makeup or not. Okay, now base makeup, and today I'm not going to use a foundation. I'm going to use this BB cream, Pond's BB cream. I bought it recently and it retails for 120 rupees. Taking again some at the back of my hand. For the first time I am going to use this BB cream. I never used any kind of BB cream or CC cream earlier in my life. So let's see how it turns out. I think I will apply a little bit more of this BB cream to get little bit more coverage. So face makeup is done. Now I will use a concealer for my eyelids and my under eye area. And the concealer which I am using is Lakme Absolute White Intense Liquid Concealer. This is a tricky part. Let's see how it works. I will need a mirror actually. Looking at my phone screen and then recording this video, but I will need a mirror to apply the concealer. So here is my mirror. This is the concealer. I will go one by one with every eye because this concealer tends to dry very quickly. And here I am taking my first finger to blend the concealer. So I am just dabbing it and then I am blending it. I am not rubbing it. You can see I am dabbing the finger. Okay. So you can see the difference. There is a quite difference whenever we apply a concealer. Okay, blending anything or applying any makeup on your left eye is very difficult. With the right hand everything is ulta fulta. So under eyes are done. Now I will apply the concealer on my eyelid. So the base makeup, the funny base makeup is completely done. Now let's move towards powder products, and this is going to be more fun. This is going to be funnier actually, not more funny. Okay, so for my compact I will use this Lakme compact, which is almost over. I need to buy a new one, and I won't be using this puff actually. I don't even use this puff. I use a brush, but I won't be using the puff also. I will use my fingers. You can see I am just rolling my fingers here, and this is the product. Yes, so let's first set our under eye area. This is looking too funny, and no comments. Okay, so now let's come to the cheeks. I will apply contouring, blush and highlighter, all three of things with my fingers only. This is going to be funnier. Okay, so let's first of all apply contouring shade. This is, and the shade I am taking is Sugar Contour de Force Face Palette 01 Subtle Summit. So which finger should I use? This one, this one, this one. There is a trend going on YouTube. Viral videos are going on YouTube which says that worst makeup beauty parlor, where they go and they are given with the worst kind of makeup. I've seen few parlor ladies doing contouring with their fingers, and this is what I did right now. So this is the worst kind of makeup which they tell you about. And now it's blush. Now I will use the highlighter, this shade from the same Sugar palette. Now which finger should I take? There are blush and contour all over the face. Should I take this finger? No, my pinky finger. So I'm taking my pinky finger. It's too much. Now I will highlight my forehead area. Okay, so face makeup is done. I'm coming back to my eye makeup. And for my eyeshadow, first of all I'm using these two palettes from Revolution London. Yes, Makeup Revolution London palette. I got both of them as a combo from Nykaa during their Pink Friday sale. So which palette should I use first? First of all, I'm going to use this palette. I will do all my crease line and lid area and corner area, all eye makeup with my fingers only, using these two palettes. Let's go. Okay. So for my crease line, I'm going to use this shade, this brown, very light brown shade, and you can see I have used little bit during my other videos as well. So yes, let's go. Taking the mirror, and I'm going to use this finger. And this palette, mind you guys, highly pigmented. You can see the color. Is it visible? Yes. So you can see I tried applying the eyeshadow on my crease line, but it got applied on whole of my eyelid area, just because I'm using my fingers. But still we are going to go on with this challenge. I'm really enjoying doing so. So the so-called crease line is over, and now I will use a color for my outer corner. Which color should I go with? Very brown shade. Yes, I'm taking a darker brown shade. So from other palette I'm going to use this shade, this one. again taking this finger. See this how highly pigmented palette, highly pigmented. I'm trying to do the same technique which we use with our brushes, but definitely I'm not going to get the result which we get with our brushes. Coming back to the other eye, coming back, not coming back, going forward to the other eye. Sorry guys. So this is the outcome which I got. Now coming to my lid area, and I'm going to use a shimmery shade on my lid area. Let's go with this grey shimmery shade. This one, you can see this is a pretty grey shimmery shade. I never used this one in my tutorial. See the shimmer. Told you this palette is highly pigmented. So yeah, this is it which I am going to apply on my this eye. I am going forward to the other eye. Okay, so you can see the eyeshadows are not blended at all because it's hard to blend with your fingers. I told you when I will apply a powder product, then this video is going to be funnier. Okay, so now I will highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and for that I will use the same sugar palette and the middle highlighter shade, and I'm going to use my pinky finger. See what happened. Now I will highlight my brow bone as well. Okay, so yes, kajal is left. Now this is going to be a challenge, a real challenge, applying kajal with your fingers, and when I have such long nails. So for kajal I'm going to use this plum kajal. This has become very small, this pencil. So this is the product, and you know how young mothers or the new mothers apply kajal to their newborn babies in India and other countries. Yes, they take their fingers and then they apply. So I'm going to do the same. I will take my this finger only. Generally they apply they apply the kajal with their ring finger, but the nails of my ring finger and my middle finger are really long, you can see. So I'm going to use this finger only. This sling is also long, but it can be managed, not with them. I don't want to hurt my eyes. This is the product, and I have to be very quick because it dries up very quickly. Can't even apply the kajal. Oh my god, can't apply. I tried applying the kajal, but I can't apply it. I don't know why. I think this kajal is completely dried up. And I don't want to rub too much on my eyes because that will hurt my eyes. So you saw I can't apply the kajal. I'm trying to remove it, but okay, let's move forward. And now the final part, that is the lips. Whatever Vaseline is there, I'm going to remove it, and I'm taking this lipstick from Color Bar, and the shade is 53M Stardust. Yes. So this is the shade, very pretty shade, very pretty nude shade. And I will take my fingers, this finger, middle finger. So you can see, to get the color I have to dig my finger on this bullet several times, then I will get the color, not like that. Plus it's a matte lipstick, so applying it with a finger is more difficult. So I think I'm done. This was the final thing which I did. I've tried my best to apply kajal, but it didn't work. I just wiped out my finger. So yeah, this was it. And just tell me how much you like the challenge. No comments from my side. My face is looking too funny. Just look at the eyeshadow, guys. Just look at the eyeshadow. No blending, nothing, and even the shade is like, it very badly got mixed up with other shade. It's not blending, it's just mixed up, and another shade is created. And see what happened to the highlighter. There was concealer creasing under my eyes, and it got mixed up with the concealer. Now it is stuck there. So yeah, when I applied primer and the BB cream, it was fine because many of us, and it's very easy to apply a cream product with your fingers. But when it came to powder products and also concealer, that time we failed. And this challenge was a funny challenge, so there was nothing to win-win situation about it. Um, Even this portion is creasing, I suppose. No, it's not creasing. Like the BB cream is fine, but blush, contouring, you can see the shade here. See, it's clearly visible. Highlighted, and especially the blush, it is looking very funny. And the highlighter is applied too much, because yes, with brush we have control, but with fingers we don't have any control on the powder products. See, I tried applying kajal, but I just couldn't, because I think the kajal has dried up, and I couldn't. I don't want to rub my finger a lot on my lower waterline. I don't want to hurt my eyes. There was little bit of kajal. You can see this. So there was a little bit, very slight, very thin line of kajal which is there on my lower waterline. Otherwise, and definitely I couldn't fill my eyebrows with my fingers. Anyhow, I couldn't have filled my eyebrows with my fingers, so I skipped that. Yes, so that was the final video which I did. I hope you all enjoyed the challenge. I hope you all liked the video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a like, give me a thumbs up, share my videos with your friends and family, and please ask them to subscribe to my channel. On this note, I'm winding up the video. I hope you all are fit and fine. Please stay at home. Whenever you are going out, wear a mask. Bye bye. Take care.